Wells offers innovative and easy to operate ventless solutions to increase revenue in any space. So why should you go ventless? Historical buildings are a great place for ventless solutions. Many jurisdictions will not allow you to go through the floors and ceilings of these historical buildings. High-rise buildings may require expensive black iron that may be charged floor by floor. Stadiums and malls may not want ductwork in open view. Lease spaces are great because you get to take the hood with you if you leave the space. There is also a tax benefit for the piece of equipment because it depreciates faster. The Wells Ventless Cooking System, or the VCS line, offers various configurations to meet your needs. It is a completely self-contained built-in system, including the electrical equipment, the ventless hood, and the ANSUL system. To start to configure your VCS, you get to choose from 3 different bases: a half-size oven, a double drawer warmer, or what you see here, a cabinet base. The top surface of the base can be configured to mix and match fryers, griddles, or hot plates to create 13 different models. Utilizing a single point connection, these units are easy to install. Please visit the Wells website to see all possible configurations. As you can see, with the largest selection of electric equipment allowed underneath the hood, a completely self-contained ANSUL system, and the ease of installation, all makes it easy to find the best solution with Wells. Please visit our website at wells-mfg.com to find all the resources and specifications on our ventless hoods, or you can call 1-800-264-7827.